Hi everyone, Kelly here with a quick tutorial on how to use our new Canon copiers. First, scan your badge. If you've never done this before, you'll need to do this once and associate the badge with a user account. Enter your district username and district password, then press OK. You'll then be taken to a main menu where you can select to copy, scan and send, or fax. Select copy to make hard copies directly at the machine. To select the stapling and collating options, select Finishing from the Copy menu. Select Scan and Send if you would like to scan documents and email them directly to yourself or to another email destination. Selecting the Send to Myself button will automatically send your scanned documents directly to your email, which has been preloaded and assigned to your account. If you would like to manually enter in an address, you can select New Destination, type in the email, then select OK. Register to Address Book. This will make the manually entered address available just to you on that machine only. For Akindi Scantron software replacement users, this is especially helpful as you can add your unique Akindi Uploads email into the address book. To save a manually entered email address into your address book, select Register to Address Book. If you would like to use manually entered addresses saved to address books, you'll need to do this for every machine you use. As always, if you have any issues with copiers, whether it be jams or user questions, feel free to email copiers at dvrhs.k12.nj.us, and we'll be happy to help.